Now, remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Putting ice bottles in the fridge can also help stabilize the temperature and reduce how often it needs to be turned on and off. This is just a temporary fix so that food does not spoil. I don't want to promote this because it does not comply with building codes. Continue watching this video if you want a real fix. Situation number 3. The compressor is not running, but the condenser fan is running. When the compressor is not running,
yeah, okay. Yeah, alright. Yeah, compressor test. Okay. Try this.
Hi guys, my name is Bill, and today we're going to diagnose a vacuum compressor running. Alright, so we're going to be diagnosing the compressor. Now the symptoms of this machine is that it's not and it's making a buzzing and clicking sound. So we're going to go ahead and diagnose it. Before I do this, I want to show you something with another compressor. Alright, so here's a compressor that's real similar to the one that's on this refrigerator. Now there's two types of failures that a compressor can have. It can have an electrical failure, which means when you test the resistance, you can test box like that clear up before we go into the actual refrigerator. Now to get to the compressor on just about every single refrigerator, you're going to have to get to the back. Or move the back down. And down here you find the compressor. You see those two white wires plugged into the relays that shows you earlier. And what I'm going to do now is just look back to the relays and the compressor is not going to fire up.
So maybe the relay's bad. I might be, yeah. That's why I need one to work. See this compressor fans.
Okay. At 2376.
$100, $200, $17.
Yeah, I'm seeing a wide range of things here.
Holy hell, I don't remember what I need, man. Probably just need that little plastic right there is what I need, $110. That's it right there. $110. Guaranteed for your refrigerator parts. Amazon, they think they're the cheapest.
Looks like it. That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, $107 roughly is what you're getting. I don't think free shipping, that's for sure. While you're looking that up, Carl, I'm going to take that fan out.
Okay.
Give me a sense of
Here we go.
Yeah, I'm pretty certain that's what our issue is. He said it, we looked at it, we troubleshooted it. I'm thinking that was our solution.
Okay. All right. Come on.
I'm going to plug it in one more time.
Yeah. Okay. Amazon. Here's your condenser fan motor. Okay. There we go. Now it's making the squeaking. Okay, it sounds like a squirrel.
I should have two. Good. no. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
More down to the right.
Okay. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Now, hang on, they're up. I'm getting two of these. Okay, they got them back. Okay. That's perfect. Okay. I'll just get two of these.
And I'm watching my cherries tonight.